Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how do I see my place at Strava challenges. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Strava application into your device. And now from here, just simply tap on the U icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply tap on your profile on the top right beside the search icon. So just simply tap on your profile over here. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here challenges. So as you can see, I have one challenge over here. So just simply tap on one of your challenges that you want to see your place with. And after that, you should be able to see the overview of the challenge. So just simply go ahead and scroll down, guys, and you should be able to see here the overall ranking, and you should be able to see here the number one rank. And if you scroll down further, you should be able to see here your place. So as you can see, I am on the 625,198 place, and from there you should be able to see your place. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.